Japan is efficient, surprising, and full of delightful discoveries. From the fast-paced streets of Tokyo to the serene countryside, there's always something new to explore. One minute you're in a serene temple garden, the next in a bustling arcade. This contrast is what makes Japan so unique. You can experience tranquility and excitement all in one day. It's a dance between past and future that makes Japan captivating. The architecture and the culture reflect this beautiful blend. It's a place where history and innovation coexist harmoniously. The people are some of the kindest you'll ever meet. Their hospitality and willingness to help make traveling here a joy. Even if you don't speak the language, you'll find that a smile and a bow can communicate so much. Even without speaking the language, a smile and a bow go a long way. These simple gestures are a universal language of kindness and respect. They make you feel welcome and connected, no matter where you are. Let's explore this amazing place together. There's so much to see and do, from ancient temples to modern skyscrapers, from quiet gardens to lively markets. Every corner of Japan has a story to tell. We'll wander through temples, get lost in cities, and of course, eat. Japanese cuisine is a highlight of any trip here, from sushi to ramen to street food. Every meal is an adventure in itself. Japan is more than a destination. It's an experience. Let's go. Every moment here is filled with wonder and discovery. So pack your bags and join me on this incredible journey through Japan. Imagine a place where ancient traditions live alongside futuristic technology, where the past and the future are not at odds, but instead, blend together in perfect harmony. That's Japan, a country where every street corner tells a story, and every moment feels like a bridge between eras. Here, you'll find centuries-old shrines standing quietly beside glass and steel skyscrapers, as if time itself has folded in on this land. The contrast is striking, yet somehow, it just works. The old and the new don't compete, they complement each other, creating a cityscape that's both timeless and cutting edge. The culture is woven with respect, beauty, and precision. Whether it's a simple bow, a carefully tended garden, or the way people move through daily life, there's a sense of mindfulness in every action. It's a place where tradition isn't just preserved, it's lived, every single day. From the graceful rituals of a tea ceremony to the artful arrangement of a bento box, attention to detail is everywhere you look. Every meal, every gesture, every object is thoughtfully considered, reflecting a deep appreciation for beauty and order. Japan finds beauty in simplicity and harmony in nature. Minimalist interiors bathed in natural light, tranquil Zen gardens with carefully placed stones and moss. These spaces invite you to slow down, breathe, and find peace in the present moment. The scenery's breathtaking, stretching from the snow-capped peaks of the Japanese Alps to the sun-drenched turquoise waters of Okinawa's beaches. Each region offers its own unique wonders, from misty forests to dramatic coastlines, inviting you to explore and discover. In spring, cherry blossoms burst into bloom, painting the landscape in delicate pinks and whites. In autumn, fiery maple leaves set parks ablaze with color. These seasonal changes are celebrated with festivals and gatherings, reminding everyone to cherish the fleeting beauty of nature. For those who love the outdoors, Japan is a paradise. Hike through lush forests, listen to the songs of rare birds, or simply lose yourself in the serenity of a bamboo grove. Nature is never far away, even in the heart of the city. Experiences define Japan, soaking in a steaming onsen as snow falls around you, getting swept up in the energy of Shibuya's famous crossing, or feeling the excitement of a sumo wrestling match in Tokyo. These moments become memories that stay with you long after you leave. Japan isn't just a place you see, it's a place you feel. It's in the quiet moments, the gentle sounds, the subtle scents, and the warmth of a welcoming smile. Every sense is awakened here. It's a journey for the heart, a destination that inspires, transforms, and stays with you forever. Let's step back in time and explore the roots of Japan's spiritual and cultural heritage. Japan's temples and shrines are sacred spaces alive with centuries of tradition, each telling a unique story from the nation's past. Buddhist temples like Kinkakuji in Kyoto, built in the 14th century, are stunning examples of Japanese architecture. Kinkakuji, also known as the Golden Pavilion, was originally a retirement villa for a shogun before becoming a Zen temple. Shinto shrines, marked by their iconic red torii gates, are dedicated to kami, spiritual beings or gods central to Japan's indigenous religion, Shintoism, which dates back over 1,000 years. Fushimi Inari Taisha in Kyoto is famous for its thousands of vermilion torii gates, donated by individuals and businesses as offerings for prosperity and good fortune. Walking through these gates feels like stepping into another world, a tradition that has inspired countless visitors for centuries. Beyond the famous sites, discovering small neighborhood temples is a joy. Many of these hidden gems have stood quietly for hundreds of years, serving as spiritual anchors for their communities. These places offer a glimpse into the spiritual heart of the community, where festivals, prayers, and rituals have been passed down through generations. Before entering, visitors perform a purification ritual at a chauzuya, rinsing their hands and mouth to cleanse both body and spirit, a practice rooted in ancient Shinto beliefs. This respectful gesture connects you to centuries of tradition, reminding us of the importance of purity and mindfulness in Japanese culture. Exploring Japan's spiritual heritage is a beautiful experience, one that reveals the deep connections between history, nature, and the Japanese way of life. Let's dive into Japan's two most iconic cities. First stop, Tokyo, a city where the future meets tradition at every turn. It's an electrifying whirlwind of energy, especially in places like Shibuya, where thousands cross the street in a single light. Shinjuku dazzles with its skyscrapers, nightlife, and quirky bars, while Shibuya pulses with modern Japan. Yet, just steps away, you can find peaceful gardens like Shinjuku Gyoen, or savor authentic flavors in family-run restaurants. Tokyo is a city of neighborhoods, each with its own personality and surprises. Harajuku bursts with youth culture and wild fashion. Akihabara is paradise for gamers and anime fans, and Ginza dazzles with luxury shopping and gourmet sushi. Now, let's take the Shinkansen, the world-famous bullet train, and glide through the countryside to Kyoto. The Shinkansen connects Tokyo and Kyoto in just about 2 hours and 20 minutes, reaching speeds up to 320 kilometers per hour, or nearly 200 miles per hour. Riding the Shinkansen is incredibly comfortable. Think reclining seats, lots of legroom, spotless interiors, and even power outlets for your devices. You can buy tickets at the station, reserve online, or use a Japan Rail Pass for unlimited rides. For first-timers, arrive early to find your platform, and don't forget to grab an ekiben, a delicious train bento, for the journey. Kyoto is the heart of traditional Japan, where ancient wooden houses and lantern-lit streets transport you to another era. It's a city of geishas, iconic temples like Kiyomizu-dera and Kinkaku-ji, and tranquil Zen gardens. Kyoto invites you to wander through cherry blossoms, explore the magical Arashiyama bamboo grove, and experience a traditional tea ceremony. Visiting both Tokyo and Kyoto reveals Japan's incredible duality, ultra-modern and deeply historic side by side. It's a journey through time and culture where every moment offers a new discovery, whether you're savoring street food, marveling at ancient shrines, or soaking in the city lights. Beyond the bustling cities, Japan's countryside unfolds like a living painting. Lush rice fields, ancient villages, and rolling hills that seem untouched by time. Here, nature and tradition blend seamlessly, creating a landscape that feels both peaceful and profound. Mount Fuji, Japan's most iconic natural landmark, rises gracefully above the landscape. Its snow-capped peak is visible for miles, inspiring artists and travelers for centuries. In spring, cherry blossoms frame its slopes, while in autumn, fiery leaves create a breathtaking contrast. The mountain's presence is both majestic and awe-inspiring, drawing climbers and dreamers alike to witness its beauty up close. Japan's natural wonders stretch far beyond Fuji. The Japanese Alps, with their dramatic peaks and crystal-clear rivers, offer some of the country's most spectacular hiking and skiing. In Hakone, mountains and forests surround steaming hot springs, where visitors can soak in outdoor onsens while gazing at the natural world. Winter transforms the region into a snowy wonderland. In Jigokudani, wild snow monkeys bathe in hot springs, while in Hokkaido, rare red-crowned cranes perform their elegant dances across frozen marshes. Far to the south, Okinawa is Japan's tropical paradise. Its turquoise waters and vibrant coral reefs are home to sea turtles, colorful fish, and some of the world's best snorkeling and diving. Each season transforms Japan's landscape spectacularly. Spring brings a blush of cherry blossoms, summer is lush and green, autumn ignites the forests with crimson and gold, and winter blankets the countryside in serene white. Japan's national parks, like Shiratoko and Nikko, protect rare wildlife and pristine forests. Here you might spot brown bears, sika deer, or even the elusive Japanese sero. Whether you're wandering a tranquil garden, hiking ancient cedar forests on Yakushima, or gazing at a mountain sunrise, Japan's nature is a masterpiece, one that invites you to pause, breathe, and marvel at the harmony it holds dear. Let's talk food. If you're ready to embark on a journey that will excite your taste buds and open your mind to new flavors, you're in the right place. Japanese cuisine is a world of discovery, where every meal is an experience and every bite tells a story. From bustling markets to quiet, elegant restaurants, food is at the heart of Japanese culture. Japan is a top food destination. Whether you're wandering through the neon-lit streets of Tokyo or exploring a small town, you'll find incredible food everywhere. The sheer variety is astounding, from quick bites at street stalls to multi-course feasts in high-end restaurants. Sushi in Japan is a whole other level. It's not just a meal, it's an art form, a tradition, and a celebration of the freshest ingredients. Sitting at an omakase counter, you'll watch the chef craft each piece with precision and care, creating edible masterpieces right before your eyes. The fish is fresh, the rice perfectly seasoned. Every element is chosen with intention, from the cut of the fish to the temperature of the rice. The balance of flavors and textures is what makes sushi in Japan truly unforgettable. Watching a sushi master at work is a performance. Each movement is deliberate, honed by years of training. The chef's hands move with grace and speed, transforming simple ingredients into something extraordinary. It's a privilege to witness this dedication up close. Don't miss a trip to a fish market for a sushi breakfast. The energy is electric as vendors call out their freshest catches and locals gather for an early meal. There's nothing quite like enjoying sushi just hours after the fish was brought in from the sea. Japan is more than sushi. Tempura is a must-try. This dish takes simple ingredients, shrimp, fish, vegetables, and transforms them into something magical with a light, crispy batter. It's a testament to the Japanese philosophy of letting each ingredient shine. Lightly battered and deep-fried, it's crispy and delicious. The sound of tempura sizzling in hot oil is almost as satisfying as the first bite. Each piece is golden and airy, never greasy, and best enjoyed with a simple dipping sauce. A good tempura meal includes prawns, fish, and vegetables. The variety on the plate means there's something for everyone, and the contrast of flavors and textures keeps every bite interesting. Pair it with a bowl of rice and some pickles for a truly satisfying meal. Sake, a fermented rice wine, complements meals perfectly. It's more than just a drink. It's a ritual, often shared with friends or family. The flavors range from crisp and dry to rich and sweet, making it a versatile companion to Japanese cuisine. Try different types to find your favorite. Sake tasting is an adventure in itself, with each variety offering unique aromas and flavors. Don't be afraid to ask for recommendations or sample a flight to discover what you like best. Green tea, from sencha to matcha, is integral to Japanese culture. The tea ceremony is a beautiful tradition, emphasizing mindfulness and respect. Whether you're sipping a frothy bowl of matcha or enjoying a simple cup of sencha, tea brings people together and marks the perfect pause in a busy day. A cup of hot green tea is the perfect end to any meal. Its earthy, soothing flavor cleanses the palate and calms the mind, leaving you refreshed and ready for whatever comes next. In Japan, every meal is a celebration and every bite is a memory in the making. We're not done with food. In fact, Japan's noodle scene is a world of its own, and it's time to dive in. Ramen is a warm hug for your soul, rich, savory, and endlessly customizable. Every region has its own special recipe. Sapporo is famous for miso ramen, while Hakata is known for its creamy tonkotsu broth. In Tokyo, you'll find shoyu ramen with a soy-based flavor. Udon and soba offer totally different noodle experiences. Udon is thick and chewy, perfect in a hot broth or chilled with dipping sauce. Soba, made from buckwheat, is earthy and often enjoyed cold, especially in summer. And yes, slurping noodles is not just allowed, it's encouraged. It cools the noodles and shows appreciation for the chef. Japanese street food is out of this world. Night markets come alive with sizzling grills, fragrant steam, and the buzz of hungry locals and travelers. Osaka's motto is, "Eat until you drop." This city is the street food capital of Japan, and every corner tempts you with something new. Try takoyaki, crispy octopus balls with a creamy center, and okonomiyaki, a savory pancake loaded with toppings. Both are Osaka legends. Yakitori, or grilled chicken skewers, are perfect for snacking on the go. And don't miss taiyaki, fish-shaped cakes filled with sweet red bean or custard. Exploring street food is a way to taste real Japan. It's where locals gather, stories are shared, and new flavors are discovered. Follow your nose and be adventurous. You might stumble upon a hidden gem like a tiny stand selling yaki-imo, roasted sweet potatoes, or a vendor with the crispiest karaage fried chicken. You won't regret it. In Japan, street food isn't just about eating. It's about connecting with the culture, the people, and the joy of discovery. So grab your chopsticks, bring your appetite, and let the flavors lead the way. Ready to make your dream trip to Japan effortless and unforgettable? Here are some essential travel tips and tricks to help you blend in and travel smart. First, public transport is your best friend. Grab a prepaid IC card, like Suica or Pasmo, as soon as you arrive. You can use it on trains, buses, and even in convenience stores. Just tap and go. If you plan to explore beyond the cities, consider a Japan Rail Pass. It offers unlimited travel on most bullet trains and long-distance routes, saving you time and money. When it comes to etiquette, a little goes a long way. Always queue neatly, whether you're waiting for a train or a lift. Speak quietly in public spaces, and remember to remove your shoes when entering someone's home or certain traditional restaurants. If you're unsure, just follow what the locals do. Money matters. Japan is still a cash-friendly society, so carry yen for small purchases. ATMs in convenience stores like 7-Eleven are reliable for withdrawing cash. For meals, try set menus or lunch specials for great value, and don't forget to check out 100 yen shops for souvenirs and travel essentials. Language is less of a barrier than you might think. Most signs in cities are in both Japanese and English, and many people understand basic English. Still, learning a few phrases, like arigatou, thank you, and sumimasen, excuse me, will earn you smiles and appreciation. Finally, make the most of your trip by planning ahead, but leaving room for surprises. Some of the best experiences are the ones you stumble upon: a hidden shrine, a quirky cafe, or a friendly festival. With these tips in your pocket, you'll travel Japan like a pro, savoring every moment. Ready to discover your own Japan? Let's go! Japan's public transport is incredible. Japan has one of the most efficient, punctual, and extensive transportation systems in the world. Whether you're exploring major cities or remote towns, getting around is usually smooth and easy. Big cities like Tokyo, Osaka, and Kyoto have huge metro networks. Get a Japan Rail Pass for unlimited travel. Within cities, subways and local trains are your best friends. A rechargeable IC card makes getting around simple. Every season offers something special in Japan. Spring and autumn are popular for cherry blossoms and fall colors. Summer has festivals, and winter offers skiing and hot springs. Politeness and respect are important in Japanese culture. A simple bow is a common greeting. Follow local customs and you'll fit right in. There you have it, a taste of Japan's wonder and beauty. We've explored temples, cities, mountains, and food. But this is just the beginning. The real magic of Japan is something you feel. It's the peace in a bamboo forest, the thrill of a vending machine. It's the warmth of a stranger's smile. Japan will surprise and delight you. It will open your eyes to new ways of seeing the world. So, pack your bags and go. Discover your own Japan. The adventure is out there, and it is delicious. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let us know in the comments. What's your favorite thing about Japan?